What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dan Kitchen. If you're wondering what I'm getting ready to do with this big piece of metal, I got this from steelmade.com. I'm gonna put this on my stovetop. Just like that, we're getting ready to make us a Philly cheesesteak. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn all these burners on to high. And then we're gonna cut up our ingredients and we'll get to cooking.
Everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like.
All right, y'all, so this is pretty simple. You need some Danos, you need a ribeye steak, you need an onion, you need a bell pepper, and we got us some big buns here. So,
choose our weapon.
Get me a knife, and I'm gonna cut this ribeye steak as thin as I can. That's the reason why I put it in the freezer for a little bit, to get it nice and tough, so we can really cut this steak as thin as possible. So we'll go in and just start cutting it. You can see how easy it is to slice with it halfway frozen. Check it out. Get that ribeye cut nice and thin, just like so. Now we're gonna throw this bad boy on the flat top after we get these sliced up, and we're gonna make us a dang good Philly cheesesteak. You guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go on and do it now. Give me a like, give me a comment, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me how to do it better. Just slice our onion up. Try and do it fast before I start crying. Once you cut this end off, once you cut the root end off, it really starts to, that's what makes you cry, is when you cut the root off. Thank you, Joe. Just cut it in half. We'll just cut it in
long little slivers.
Just like that. And then on our bell pepper, just core it out, because we like to leave the little slivers as long as possible. So we'll just cut out the top part here. I know there's other ways to cut the bell pepper where you don't waste anything, but we want these peppers nice and
long pieces.
Open it up, cut out those little pieces of the white, just like so. So now we got our bell pepper, and we'll just slice it long ways. Just like that. Now we're ready to cook. Oh, and we'll take our bread here. You can see how it's oddly shaped. So we'll take the flat side, cut into it like this. All the way down, but not through. So we can open that bad boy up and kind of lay it over our meat while it's cooking. Feel like I'm at Subway.
Now let's get cooking.
All right, so it's time to cook. We're gonna throw our onions and peppers on just about 2 minutes before we throw the ribeye on. So we're gonna go on and get that rolling. I always like to hit it with some water, but today we're gonna hit it with a little bit of extra flavor. We're gonna hit it with some
ice cold Miller Lite.
Cook a little bit of that flavor in there. Then we're gonna hit it with the spicy Danos. Some of that pop, 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 pop. Spicy Danos, low sodium, always good, baby. So on this, it doesn't stay super hot, so I can move it over to the other side because I know it'll be hot over there. This thing really is pretty awesome, you guys. I love it. You could always throw mushrooms in here if you wanted, but you don't have to. You can do it however you want. I know everybody's gonna say,
"Hey, I'm not doing a Philly cheesesteak right."
Hey, you know what? It's how do you like it? This is how I like my Philly cheesesteak. We can go on and throw our buns on back here. Just open our bun up a little bit. Just set it on there. Let that start to warm up. Let that sizzle, baby. So now we're gonna add our steak on over here on this side. We're gonna hit that with a little bit of oil and a little bit of that spicy Danos, a little bit of that pop pop action.
Yum yum, get you some.
Mix that around. We'll hit it again, make sure we got a little even distribution there. Can't ever have enough Danos. Low sodium, all natural, no sugar, no chemicals. So when you see me adding a lot on there, it's just flavor, y'all. Don't be afraid of it. We're getting there. Go on, throw these peppers in. Go on, blend the peppers in. Start mixing that around. We're getting really close, y'all.
That's looking fantastic.
Split it just like that. Take half over here. The other half right here. Make sure we got the peppers and everything. These are going to be
Some big Phillies.
We're gonna go in with a little sharp cheddar cheese. Some of that action. And we're also gonna go in with some mozzarella. Really, because that's all I had. I thought I had pepper jack. I didn't. All right, let's plate these bad boys up. Lay that down just like that. Yeah. Yep. You might need a fork and a knife for that. But we're definitely gonna dive in. It's gonna be damn good too.
My future is bright like I turned on the lights. It's crazy how I see them right through the blind. I used to explain how I'm catching these flights. Don't hit my DMs with arrogance. I gotta do it with excellence.
Damn good.
I'm reaching the needy.
Yum yum, get you some.
In the room with the elephant.
All right, y'all. So it's time for a little tasty taste with the Dan team.
It's messy.
It's
Looking good though.
It's looking damn good.
This is one of the perks of being on the team.
Right.
Yep.
This is one of my
Alright.
favorite.
Well,
Dishes,
that's definitely
so-
the bigger piece here. I'll let y'all grab it.
I want the small piece.
All right, I'll go with the
Big piece.
All right.
always.
First, we're gonna try green pepper.
Ooh, it's hot.
Fantastic. Here, you can lay it on the table.
There. I'm gonna do that.
All right, we're going in, folks.
Taste a little bit of that beer.
Yeah, you can smell the beer.
It's delicious. It's good.
It's still pretty hot.
Pass me some of that Danos. Can't ever have too much Danos.
Here we go.
That's how we roll.
It's right there.
Look at that right there. We'll reach out, get as close as I can.
Oh, it's sealed. We'll just roll. That's definitely a recipe I would try if I were you all. Unbelievable.
I'm glad you used the beer. Really.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can taste it.
John Pepper.
pretty amazing. It's different.
It's good. It's not too spicy, but it's spicy.
Thank you, GoPro. Go.
It's honestly just right.
Well, he said.
Yeah.
Well, he said. Leave a like, leave a comment, tell us what you think. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we'll be back with more. Thank you as always. We love you. Keep sprinkling.
See ya.
Adios.
I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where. I need everything.